Hello and welcome everyone to this channel, and in this video tutorial today I am going to teach you how to get the folder name in Python file. So you have a created folder in your operating system or on your computer, and if you want to know how to get the name of the folder using the Python, then in this tutorial I will show you two methods, and in those two methods you are going to use the two modules, os module and pathlib module, to get the folder name from your systems. So let's begin. For example, let's say that this is the folder, this is the data folder, and I want to extract the name of this folder, and look at the path of this folder. So I want this name of this folder. To get the name of this folder in Python, first open this folder into command prompt. So for that, click on here like this and then type cmd if you are on the Windows. Now you have opened the command prompt in the current directory, and this is the path. So you want to extract the name of this folder, which is the data you can see here. So here, first open the Python shell by typing Python in your terminal like this, and then here we will use the first module, which is the os module. So import this os module. To import, write import os like this and hit enter. Now this OS module allows you to interact with the operating system. So whether you are on Windows, Linux, Macs, using this OS module, you can interact with a operating system, and this OS module provides functions that allows you to manipulate the files on your system. Here, first we need to get the path of the folder. We are in the directory, we can see here in the data, and we want the name of this folder. So for that, OS module has a function get cwd, or it's called get current working directory. So here I'm going to define a path variable, and in this variable I will store the path of the folder whose name I want to extract. For that, you need to call os.get cwd or get working directory to extract the path of the current working directory and hit enter. Now if you print path, you can see the path. So here you can see this is the path of the current working directory, and you want to extract this data. This data is the name of the folder that you want to extract. So to extract this name, there is one more function that you need to call on this path, on this extracted path you see here. This is the path object. So that function name is the base name. So actually you are not going to call that base name function. You need to pass this path whose name you want to extract. So for example, if you will write here like a current folder name like this equal to then os.base name. So this base name will extract the name of the folder from the given path. So this is the path you can see here, and this is the folder name. This name you want to extract. So simply you need to pass the path, because this path is stored in this variable path here you can see, and then hit enter. So we get a, so sorry for mistake what I made here. I want to tell you that this base name does not exist directly in this OS module. It exists in another sub module called os.path. Let me show you here again. Execute this, and then from OS access the module path, then call the base name from this. So this base name function exists in the os.path submodule. Now hit enter, and you don't get any error because this is the correct function, and this base name function extracted the folder name. So to print the folder name, just write print and then specify current folder name like this and hit enter. Now you can see this is the name of the folder. So if you go in the directory, you can see this is the name of the current directory. So this is how you can use this os.path submodule to extract the folder name from the given path. So here remember, this base name function simply takes the path and extract the name of the file or the folder after the last slash. So you can see here this path contain a multiple slash. So this is the last slash. So after last slash, this base name function extract the string and whatever the path is specified, whatever the name is specified. So in this case, after this slash, the folder name is specified. If you provide any file name here, for example, then this base name will extract the name of that file. Now the next module is the Pathlib module. Let's see. So let's use this path module right here from Pathlib import path. This path is the class in the Pathlib module, and this class represents the file system path and provides a different function to operate on these paths, such as reading, writing content. So using this function, you can interact with the operating system files and you can manipulate the path. So you need to import this path class and hit enter. Now, as you have extracted the path of the current working directory using the getCW function in the OS module, same way you need to extract the path, but in this case path has a different function and the name of that function is a CWD, current working directory. So let's say, so here I will store the folder path, so I will here write create a variable folder path like this, and then using this path class I will call the CWD function to get the path of the current working directory. And as you can see, the current working directory is this, you can see here. So hit enter and now print the path folder path and hit enter. You can see it extracted the path of the current working directory. Now from this path we need to extract the folder name. So here you just need to write the path folder path like this and then call the name attribute on it, and it will extract the name of the folder from this path. So simply let's print it right here, print, and then specify here folder path, and this folder path contains the path of the current working directory, and from this extract the name of the folder by specifying dot name attribute like this and hit enter. Now you can see it extracted the name of the folder from the given path. So let's review it. So first, using the import OS module, we first extracted the path of the current working directory. That means this is the directory and we want to extract this path. We want to get this path into our Python environment. So for that, we use getCWD command from OS module. Then to extract the folder name from that path, we use the os.path submodule, which provide a function base name. So we pass that path to this base name function to extract the folder name, and it extracted the folder name you can see here. Then in the second method, we use the Pathlib module, which was introduced in Python 3.4, and this is alternative to this OS module. And this Pathlib contains a class path class, which allows us to interact with a file system on our operating system. And in the same way, to get the path of the current working directory, we call the path.cw method from the path class, and it extracted the path of the current working directory and saved that path into the variable folder path. Now to extract the folder name from that path, it contains a attribute name. So you need to just call that attribute name to get the folder's name, and we did this here, you can see. So this is all about how you can use the OS and Pathlib module in Python to get the folder name. I hope that you understand how to use this module to extract the folder name from the path. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.